Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start Buick Lacrosse with dead key fob, full guide. First, sit in the driver's seat and hold the physical key near the start button or designated slot. Press the brake pedal firmly while keeping the key close to the button. Press the start button as you normally would until the engine turns over and the dashboard lights stabilize and beep. If the first method fails, try alternate placement spots where the car reads the fob, like the center console or under the steering column cover. Keep the key fob pressed gently against the spot while you press the brake and push the start button. Listen for any beeps or security lights that indicate recognition. If the vehicle accepts the fob briefly, drive to a safe place to replace the fob battery or visit service for programming help. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more guides. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers that save time and keep tools and snacks tidy while working on cars. I'll link the exact containers in the description along with other helpful deals and tools you might need for roadside fixes. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. When troubleshooting, start with the simplest fixes like a fresh battery and clean contacts on the key fob. Check for visible damage to the fob shell or buttons and remove any covers that block signal. If the vehicle reports a security fault, cycle power by locking and unlocking with the physical key. Keep calm and document what you tried to help a technician diagnose issues quickly if you need professional support or towing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.